In this month's tips and tricks video, we are going to talk quickly about some enhancements that have been made when requesting documents from Bear. So all of these enhancements have been made with the user in mind to provide the documents more quickly and as efficiently as possible. I do want to point out and note that all documents still need to be requested through Viva, and this is simply a demonstration to show you how these changes will impact you. Once you have entered your request in Viva, this will trigger the validation team to process the request and enter it into the Bear Collaborative SharePoint. The feature that was added to the Collaborative SharePoint is that you can now raise the request for someone else, and the original requester will be entered here in this field, and then the original requester will be notified as soon as the document is uploaded to the Collaborative SharePoint site. Once your document has been uploaded to the Collaborative SharePoint site, you will receive an email similar to this one, and you will be able to review the request and the document from this link. I also would like to point out that you do not need to upload this document into Viva. Our team will still handle that portion of the process. This just allows you to have the document a few days quicker if it is an urgent request. A second enhancement of the Bear Collaborative SharePoint site is that there is a common chat feature available for some users. So if you receive any emails that look similar to this, these emails are alerting you that you have been contacted by someone at Bear who has a question about your request. This enhancement will allow Bear to contact the original requester immediately versus it filtering through the validators and then ultimately being filtered back to Bear. Once you click on the link, you can click on the common chat option, read the different questions, and then answer them accordingly.